Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about using Moodle through browser. For some reason the Moodle app is not installing on your mobile due to either the space being low or your version of Android not being supported, then you can use this method. People who are using it, the students who are using it through a desktop computer may also have a benefit from this video. So once again, I'll be talking about these important steps in my video. Let's start with signing into the Moodle account. First, open the browser. Chrome works best. If you have it, you can use it. When the website opens, it will ask you about the ID and password, which you have to feed. These, of course, will be provided by your teacher when he sets up your Moodle account. Once you sign in, you will be able to see all the courses in which your user ID has been provided by your teacher. If your browser is not showing the page correctly, you can go to the three dots at the top right corner and request a desktop site. This will open the page exactly as it will appear on your computer. Of course, you can use zoom in and zoom out options and also can shift it to the landscape layout. If you have locked the orientation, you may need to unlock it first and then you can easily shift to the layout mode. Next, just open the course for which you want to study. Let's go with physical science in this case. So whatever content has been shared by your teacher will appear here. You can tap on one of the tests which you want to attempt. When you tap that, information about the quiz will be displayed first, and by clicking on attempt quiz now, you can start attempting the quiz. You may observe here that the interface is slightly different from what you see in the app. On the left side, you can see some details about the question. There is also an option to flag your question. Flagging the question saves it for future reference. So if you have a doubt about a question, you can just flag it and come back to it later by observing the flag from the list. In between here, you can see the question along with the 4 options. Tap on any of the options to select it. You can also clear the choice by tapping on the link which appears below as soon as you select an option. To proceed to the next question, tap on next page button. The questions that you have attempted will appear at the bottom like this. A gray question means you have attempted the answer and you have not flagged it. When you flag the answer, it will appear with a red flag at the top right corner like this. From here, you can jump to whichever question you want. Okay. Once you think you have attempted all the questions that you know, you can tap on finish attempt link, which appears at the bottom of quick navigation. Before submitting, the page will display all the answers that you have attempted or flagged from here. You can tap on the numbers of the question to jump onto that question and reattempt it in case you have doubts about it. If you have already attempted all the questions and are satisfied, you can finish attempt and submit all and finish. So this is how it appears on the desktop mode of the web page. Let me also show you how it appears on the mobile version. For that, I will go back to the mobile version of the page by deselecting the desktop site. There is a small problem with the Moodle if you are attempting it from the Moodle website through a browser. And that problem is that your attempt will not be saved. The Moodle app, however, saves all your attempts. so that you can continue from wherever you left. Now you can see the mobile version shows the gray area at the top with the details of the question. There is also the option to flag the question and attempt the question, move on to the next page. Navigation will also be displayed here at the bottom, but the icons are slightly larger when compared to the desktop version. Here as well, when you tap on finish attempt, the list of all the questions that you have answered will appear. And of course, when you are satisfied with all the answers that you have given, you can submit all and finish. When you submit, a review of the test will start and you will be shown the question number, whether it is correct or not, how many marks you got for it, and the question along with the tick mark of right or wrong as your attempt is, and along with a feedback or explanation at the bottom. Feedback generally consists of the correct answer, and if your faculty, if the teacher has entered some other data explaining how the answer is obtained, the same will also be displayed here in the orange area below the question. You can check out all the questions, their correct answers and the feedbacks, and if you have doubts about any of the questions, you can mark it and later clarify the doubts from your faculty. So that's it in this video. To summarize, we saw how to sign into your Moodle account using the user ID and password. We also saw how to check the courses that are available. We also saw how to attempt the quizzes and submit them, and after submission we saw how to review our score and mark our doubts, and then finally clarifying doubts is something that you cannot do with the Moodle, and you'll have to contact your teacher or you'll have to refer to your textbook in order to do that. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, of course hit the like button and stay subscribed to our channel for all of future updates. Thank you.